Sugod eh. Ano, sugod na.
Okay.
Ay sa akin, murag ngit-ngit pa ba? Ngit sa taga-aswa.
Adto sa Moreno Building, na si Kuya Chachi, mang libre.
Ay sa, kay murag na kuanan man ka, nalahian kag negro, di ka makita. Dita, uy, ni Amerikano na hapit. Hapit na, gamay na lang. Mga Amerikano, uy, ni Pilipino na. Wala pa, ganyan lang, Black American pa. Sa ka pa gamay? Ay sa, uy, Amerikano na ang sinina, puti na.
Kuya Chachi.
Uy, Pilipino man di abi na mo. Abi. Sino? Kaya ang salary.
Hindi kayo dapat kamay na mga microphone na.
Sira.
Gerald na yun.
Mga kaibigan, andito tayo ngayon upang ipakita ang aming ipapakita.
Hindi, no.
Tumingit na.
Ispan.
Ibigyan din. Andito na tayo ngayon.
Higit kayo, higit kayo.
Ko. Buong muli. Iyang gitumba. Si Gerald nagtumba. Ready go again. Ang suspect. Ang suspect. Si Andayan, pero di maklaro. Si Gerald. Hapit na. Kuya Chachi. And this tos.
Action lang mo.
Kinsa. Dili, maklaro. Oh! Kuya Fer, naka-yellow. Take. What the hell? Kuya Chachi, Bisaya. Naman din si Superman. Ay sa, kay murag kapoy na. Ako na po.
Ay, ito message na.
Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, great song. Okay, Lord, I love to sing your praises. All right, goes like this. Lord, I lift your name on high.
Yeah.
Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad. I'm so glad you came in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us. You came. You came from heaven to earth
Amoy po sa iyo, amoy po sa Facebook. Muna siya, si Kuya Joe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kuya Chachi. What can you say about this night?
This night is a welcoming night to YBC Young Believers Club.
Yeah.
Okay, and we've got a Salida night going on. We're excited. We're so thankful. We've got Archimedics here. We've got Copernicus. We've got Hosea, Samuel. Salida night, Pamela's prayer. We're going to watch it. We're so thankful that you can come. Thank you so much, all the classes. We love you. We'll see you in June. Don't forget, Young Believers Club. True love really wins. Bye-bye.
And that's Kuya Chachi and this and I. What can you say about this night? This very awesome night. I can see your face. Oh my God. Akala ko Bible study ito. Maengkanto pala dito.
Dito sa likod to.
Sa likod. Manawagan ka, manawagan ka.
Nanawagan ko na wala akong mama.
About Kuya Fern, what can you say tonight?
Okay. So I am very happy. I am very happy that we have the program here at True Love Waits here at Folks KOA. And you know, thank God for His progression, His blessings, and what He has given to us. And like, I want to thank also our director, Kuya Chachi, and also the students here at Mogs. And salamat kayo sa inyong taga-ampan, and to God be the glory. Okay? Thank you.
Gerald, what can you say about tonight?
Can I have it? Can I make it?
Sure.
How can I operate it?
Dili ka mag-istorya para
Press this.
How will I use
Record.
it? Record wala.
Record.
record. Taas-taas na, marag 8 minutes na, 8 minutes.
How will I stop it?
If I want to stop,
How will I stop it?
press this.